Integration, making the 3 phases of care program part of your schedule during the first and second appointments. At your first appointment, you'll examine the patient. Treat the patient if that's your usual way of approaching it. If not, wait until the second appointment. You would recommend and dispense the supplement, recommend diagnostics such as MRIs or X-rays, and then schedule the second appointment in which you will conduct your report of findings. Recommending the supplement is simple. Just go to the back of the laminated 3 phases of care mini poster and you will see a flow chart. It should go something like this with your patients. Hi John, my patients get better, faster, and stay that way longer because when I recommend therapy, I focus on 2 things. First, skeletal alignment, and second, biochemistry. Skeletal alignment will include adjustments, in-office therapies, and home care that I will recommend to you. Improving your biochemistry means using safe and effective nutraceuticals for inflammation, spasm, swelling, and to improve the healing process. Combining these 2 approaches together is the fastest road back to wellness. At this time, you may be considering taking over-the-counter pain relievers to help with your discomfort. I don't recommend that, and here's why. These substances, known as NSAIDs or non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, are very effective at reducing pain, but they impair the healing process significantly. Nutraceuticals like the one I'm going to be recommending to you reduces the pain, but promotes the healing process. Then you pull out your 3 phases of care recommendation pad and tell the patient the following. Here's the nutraceutical that I had mentioned. It will not only help with discomfort, but it will also help with such issues as swelling and muscle spasms. Just take 1 packet in the mid-morning, 1 packet in the afternoon, and 1 packet at bedtime. At the second appointment, you'll conduct your report of findings, review your treatment plan, treat the patient, dispense the second supplement, and schedule all future appointments. So here's how to integrate the 3 phases of care program into your report of findings. First, you'll review your findings from your initial examination. Then you pull out your 3 phases of care laminated mini poster, and the conversation with your patient will go something like this. John, the fastest way to get you out of pain, healed up, and back in a state of optimal wellness is to treat your issue in 3 different and distinct phases. The first phase is known as the acute phase, and in most cases it lasts for about 3 to 5 days after the initial injury. The second phase is known as the subacute phase, and it lasts for approximately 6 to 8 weeks. This is the phase in which most of the healing happens. And the last phase is the wellness phase, where we can help you maintain health and optimal vitality. But before we can get there, we have to focus on skeletal alignment, your pain, muscle spasms, and swelling with regular chiropractic care and a safe and effective nutraceutical supplement which contains the following natural substances. Then, in approximately 2 to 3 weeks, you're going to be at a decision point in your therapy. Your pain will be mostly gone, but your healing process has only just begun. You may consider discontinuing care at this point, but I'd highly recommend against it, and here's why. Discontinuing care at this point will drastically increase your risk of re-injury. It is of course your choice, but I would highly recommend that you stay with care until the point that you are fully healed. In this phase, we focus on healing, and we do that with regular chiropractic care and another specific nutraceutical that is focusing on improving the healing process. It contains these natural substances. And the last phase is wellness. In this phase, we help you to maintain that great state of vitality and optimal function. We do that with less frequent yet regular chiropractic care and a targeted nutraceutical for this wellness phase. My patients love it because they can really feel the difference. Next, you go over your treatment plan, then pull out your 3 phases of care recommendation form to recommend the Phase 2 supplement. The conversation with your patient will go something like this. You'll now start taking the Phase 2 supplement to promote healing. You'll take 1 tablet with breakfast, 1 tablet with lunch, and 1 tablet with dinner until you finish the bottle. Then provide them with in-home therapy, stretching, and exercises. After the completion of your report of findings and treatment plan, you then treat the patient, dispense the Phase 2 supplement, and schedule future appointments. It's as easy as that. At this point, you may be asking, what if the patient comes to me 1, 2, or more weeks after the injury? Well, if that's the case, at that point, the patient is more than likely in the subacute second phase, so start them with the Phase 2 supplement instead of the Phase 1. So to recap, the 3 phases of care program meets the individual needs of each patient, seamlessly integrates into your practice, improves compliance to care past the point of pain relief, and improves both patient outcomes and practice income.